Can you imagine, like Mother Teresa, that absolutely iron will, that laser focus that would just gently, lovingly bulldoze through anybody who got in the way of God's will. That was Mother Teresa on a bulldozer. Oh my, that's a funny image. Welcome to my world, people. It's terrifying. People who have, if you've got like this tough, iron, stubborn will, great. Just put it entirely at his service and you will be a force to be reckoned with. My will is not so iron. It's a little bit floppy. Kind of, yes, Jesus, I love you with all my floppy willed heart. It's like, oh gosh. But these two amazing, amazing women, they got it and they had the will to back it up.